everyone, it's Carol. I'm on screen today, downstairs in my art room, and I'm just gonna get ready to do a Dutch pour. I thought I would just sit here and talk for a minute. I'm gonna try just using water today. It's kind of different for me. So I'm gonna use some Basics titanium white instead of Artist Loft. And I'm gonna use some Winsor Newton. This is a ultramarine blue. And I'm gonna try some color shift paints today. This is a, it's metallic, gloss finish, and this is called Red Flash. No, Flash, Red Flash. And this one is called, it's metallic also. This was called Aqua Flash. So we'll see how that goes. I hear they're pretty nice when they dry. They show different colors. So I'm just mixing up my paints to a nice consistency. And I'll get my canvas ready and I'll be back. And we'll have fun doing a painting. Hi everyone. So I came back after I did my last Dutch pour, which I really liked. And I decided to do another one in the same colors, just in a little bit of a reverse. And this is a painting I'm painting over, so I couldn't find another canvas the exact same size. It's going for a pair. So I hope this white covers this yellow paint. Alright, so I'm gonna, last time I did the blue, red, and turquoise. This time I'm gonna reverse it. Be the same colors, but probably just a different look of them. These colors might look nice in a dip. Alright, I think that's enough of this one. Dripping paint everywhere. Alright, now I have some gold. The reason I'm putting the gold on the top, because it usually sinks, so hopefully it won't sink. Here we go. And a little dot there. Alright, so pour my white around the edge. Probably plenty. Okay, here we go. Excuse the noise. Totally awesome, and it is different. Wow. Very cool. I'll blow this one a little bit. All right. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Should get the other one and show you the other one at the same time. But I'm just gonna try and blow this. I don't think I have enough hot air. Maybe I'll just leave it. Just making sure it's covered there. I'll bring the other one over. I don't know if you can see. Oh yes, you can see. Exactly the same colors, just in a different order. This might have had a little bit more paint. This had the dark on the bottom, this had the dark on the top. And the gold was on the top on both, but this has more action going on in the middle. This has a little more paint in the middle, I think. But you know what? They make a great pair. Look at that. Awesome. I'll give you a close-up again. Very cool. Thanks for the tips, Rinske. Awesome, awesome. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back soon to my art room. If you look in the description below, under the video, you'll see that we've made a art group on Facebook. It's called Acrylic Art and Pouring Friends. I wish you guys would come and join. Art by Susan King and Dropping Paint by Dianne are my sisters, and all three of us are monitoring the Facebook group. And share your paintings on there. Great to see them all. All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. So here's my dried Dutch pour. Dried pretty good. Pretty smooth. No cracking. My little cells down there. It's awesome. I really like this one. Okay, there you go. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.